Hi viewers, today's topic is Introduction to Measurement. Do you know how people know how much have they travel or how much is the length of the leg of the chair? This is done by using a term called measurement. Measurement means comparing an unknown quantity with the known quantity. This known fixed quantity is called as a unit. When you derive the results of the calculation, you will get the measurement in two parts. One is the number, the other is the unit of the measurement. You can also calculate the distance of one place into another. For example, the distance of the school from your house, units of measurement. In the early days, units of measurement included the length of the foot, distance of the step, and the width of the towel. However, these were difficult to maintain as the length of the foot varies from one person to another. To standardize the units, a metric system was put in place. This system is standard units of measurement, and the system of standard unit of measurement used now is known as the International System of Unit or SI units. The SI unit of length is the meter. Each meter is divided into 100 equal divisions. These are called centimeters or cm. Each centimeter has 10 equal divisions. These divisions are called millimeter or mm. To measure distance, we use a term called kilometers or km, measuring length. For measuring the length of any object, we need to choose an appropriate device so as to get the accurate results. For example, the measuring scale that a carpenter uses is different than one of that uses by the tailor. If these are interchanged, you can imagine the amount of confusions it will come. Measuring length of curved line. To measure a curved line, the standard measuring tape will not be enough. You will use a different mechanisms to arrive at the correct length of the curved line. To measure, you will use a thread. Along the line of the thread, you will use the thread from one end of the curved line to the other end. By stretching the thread along the line after you straighten the thread and measure its length, you will know the length of the curved line accurately. Moving objects, you will notice that there are objects move when you apply force or moving on their own. For example, honeybee is flying from one flower to another. You will notice that the blades of the fans move when electricity is applied. This is known as motion. It is defined as a change in the position of an object with time. Types of motions. As you know, motion is the change in position of an object with time. The change in its position can be determined through distance measurements. Let us look other types of motions. Rectilinear motion, in which objects move along a straight line. For example, march past of a soldiers in a parade. Circular motion. It is the motion of an object that keeps a constant distance from a point. For example, hands of a clock. Periodic motions. It is the type of motion in which the object repeats its motions after some time. For example, motion of a child on a swing. Thank you.